Guys, after when we set up our Christmas tree, it started to snow. If you guys can see from the camera, there's like a lot of snow already. I think there's gonna be full of snow tomorrow.
No, only 1 hour we are snowing today.
Oh wow.
එතන පොන්ඩ් එකක් තියෙනවා. අය පොන්ඩ් එකත් සුදු පාට වෙලා තියෙන්නේ.
Alam ala park ala in snow.
ආච්චි මම පෙන්නනවා.
I just got off the shower. No, the snow's gone now.
දාතර උනාද මන්ද ස්ලෝ කරා.
Okay, this is the final tree, and this is the lantern. For the final touches, I'm gonna be putting these little lights and in this little cups. I'm gonna build this tree by myself, so I don't need no help.
Can you open this box?
Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to the channel. But today we're going to be building a Christmas tree. Now we're opening the Christmas decoration, the tree decorations. Okay, I put this on my head. I'm just gonna decorate the tree with the same stuff every year.
Yes, same stuff.
Nema, sweatgun.
I know.
Sweatgun.
I've done this. My pants. Now we're going to take off these leaves to make it look like an actual tree. Tree.
Jingle bell, jingle bell.
Is this how I do it?
Yeah.
This is my second Christmas in Canada. I'm so happy. We're getting ready for Christmas now, so I'm so happy. I'm the same height as the...
Holiday?
Yeah.
Now I can reach the thing. The first thing we're gonna do is arrange the lights, and then we're gonna do all the Christmas decorations. It's so good. Today, this year, I'm gonna be the one who put in the stuff on the tree.
No. Dalla, dico ma io idem.
ඇයි ඒ දිග නැද?
Oh, man.
ප්ලග් පොයින්ට් එක යාලග. කලාත්මක
I wanna watch them now. What ornament do you think is gonna go on the tree? Ice. What are these called again? Ice here. Ice.
I don't know. Ice what?
These are like from the ice, right? From snow. Yeah, we're gonna put these it's gonna look like it's like snowed in the tree, like ice came from the tree. Do you guys know that we can use these little green hangers to hang these on the trees like this? So you can see I already put one here. So let's hang it. We can just hang it like that. Look, and I can use one more of these and then put it in here. There, and you can hang it here. You can buy these things in the supermarket and dollar store, dollar mart, like that. Now I'm gonna put these little candy canes on the tree. I wanna eat this.
360 එකක් කරන්නේ.
What did you mean 360?
ඒ වගේ කෙනා
3 එක මගේ වීඩියෝ කරන්නේ.
Candy canes.
ඉපන්නේ
Nah, me ornaments. Sorry, my grandma's on. Now I'm gonna put these little golden balls on the tree. They're like so big, so glittery.
very nice.
I'm gonna put one. No,
එතෙන්ට ඔය මොකක්ද පැත්තට කියලා
Bishop Nappy may more snow goes down Mappy.
ඉස්සනේ
Oh.
ඒ ලස්සන කොලියක් වගේ
May snow.
Snowflakes.
Oh, snowflakes. Now I'm gonna put these little cute dolls on the tree. They're so cute. It's so Christmas themed. I'm gonna first put the big one first. But we're gonna put these little flowers on the tree. Of course, we can just waste it. Like glitters. Time for the big reveal. So now I'm gonna turn on the lights.
Okay.
Here you go. This is the final reveal of the tree. For the final touches, I'm going to be putting these little lights and in these little cups my mom gave me. So, yeah. So this is, oh wait, no, it's moving. So this is how it looks like.
අයියපන්නේ ලස්සනයි ලස්සන පාට
Like this. And we're gonna put this little tiny gift under the Christmas tree too. Like hey. This is the final tree result. Hope you guys like it. If you guys like it, make sure you guys leave a comment saying you like it, and make sure you like and subscribe for more exciting videos like this. Merry Christmas to all of you, and bye bye. See you guys in the next Christmas video.